baby hairs have a mind of their own. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimia, if I haven't met you yet. Welcome to Kimmy's Closet. Today you are watching a declutter with me / organize / I get rid of some of my clothes, hopefully. This video is in sponsorship with Poshmark. Today I'm gonna get rid of some pieces, but I feel good knowing that they're gonna go to someone that's gonna like them and get way more joy out of them. And I can earn money to put towards new things. I have linked Poshmark down below, and if you don't have the app, it's completely free. You don't lose anything by having it. I'm using Poshmark to sell the pieces in my wardrobe that I no longer wear, but you can also buy things from there, and everything is up to 70% off, and there's brands like Elizabeth and James, Zara, Free People, all the brands. So this is what my closet looks like. As you can see, it's empty. By the end of this video, I need to have a lot of items on my Poshmark account because currently it's looking real sad. I'm gonna declutter and see what pieces really bring me joy and do the whole Marie Kondo or KonMari method. So make sure to download the app and let's get on to the scary decluttering. To start by taking everything out of my closet and putting it on the floor. And now that I think about it, it's not the best idea to do this today because I have a midterm tomorrow, but we've already committed and we are gonna just declutter, and it's gonna be quick and it's gonna be fun. So here is my closet. Yes, I have this pile. Since I recently moved to New York, I only brought my fall and winter clothes because I knew I would be going back for spring and summer. I already kind of decluttered and got rid of items. I donated things, I tried to sell things, and tried because I didn't have Poshmark in Canada, and I would just do it the Craigslist way, which was way more sketchy and way more difficult. But I still have items in here that I haven't touched since I moved here. I definitely need to get rid of some items and make room for other things that I love way more. So let's get started.
Where are we? What the hell is
These are like my favorite sweaters. Goodbye. Only chance we got to fall. Crop circles in the carpet. Sink. There's so many.
Spin me around again and rub my eyes. This can't be happening when
Got it. No, there's something else. Workout. Here is everything that was in my closet. Here is a little view. It's a complete mountain and it extends over there as well. Considering that I have even more back home is a little alarming. I have to get rid of some of these guys. Woo. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna start with pants because I have less pants. I love Redone. I got these last year and I love them. They're definitely a keep. I figured I would play an episode of the life-changing magic of tidying up while I clean this, just to get in the zone and be like, yes, I need to get rid of things.
Renowned tidying expert Marie
I got these pants from Zara and I only wore them a couple of times. They just don't fit me as well as I like them. I just love a dark wash and I don't own that many skinny jeans. That's why I've held on to this one. I've considered getting rid of it before, but I like the style so much that I just don't want to get rid of it. However, I don't wear it because anytime that I try to, I just don't feel good in it at all. So I think I have to get rid of this one because it's just taking up space. And thank you for all that you've done for me, but I'm gonna get rid of you because you don't look good on me and you don't make me feel great. And I have other jeans that I like more, so I will be getting rid of this one. I got these pants from Topshop and I love them. These are my everyday black pants. I love them. They're by Frame and I wear them all the time. I'm keeping these and I'm getting rid of 2 pants, so that's a good start. I'm sitting down for the rest and I'm gonna do my t-shirts, which I love. I have way more t-shirts at home, so I definitely need to get rid of some of these. I have this one. I don't want to get rid of it because I like it a lot. It makes me happy. It just says Dirty Dancing. This is a basic white t-shirt. It's pretty new. I got it from Zara. I actually bought this to replace an old one, so this is a keep. We're off to a great start. Okay, so I love this shirt. I bought this a little bit ago, but I have never worn it because I like it. I don't know where the logic is. I want to give it another chance and I want to wear it because I've never considered getting rid of it because I think it's just adorable. I love what it says and it's really cute. So I want to keep this because it makes me happy. I have this Michael Jackson t-shirt, but I don't feel good about this anymore. I feel like I don't support him anymore. So there's that. Bye. Here is my beloved Beyonce shirt, which we are 100% keeping. Okay, this one I really liked, but I've worn it once. It just says Golden Girl, and it's by the brand Mink Pink, and I love that brand. I wore it once, I think, a while ago, and it's still like basically new, so thank you for all that you've done for me, but I never wear you. You belong in a home that gives you the attention you deserve. I feel crazy, I'm like talking to my clothes, but this I really like. This I love. This I wear a lot. It's just so funny. I don't want to get rid of this, but I never wear it. I wore it maybe once over the summer, but I can't get rid of this. It makes me too happy. T-shirts are hard for me. This is a loose shirt from Zara. I wore this once or twice. And it's just like really oversized to the point where I just feel like I look sloppy. As for scarves, I have so many back home, but I only brought the 2 that I love, and then I bought one while I was here. I recently bought this one and I had this one, and I think that they're too similar to, like they're different, but they're too similar for me to keep. I can't justify having both. I'm just gonna sell this. I think that someone will get a lot more use out of it than I will. It's a super cute scarf. I just don't need both of them. So I will be Poshmarking this one. Oops, I just found more pants. I'm doing this whole method wrong. It's time for us to tackle this monster. Are you ready to be demolished? Say yes. I did not realize this would count as my workout of the day. This I love. I wear it all the time. It's a favorite. This is a yes, and this one is also a yes because I've never worn it, so I need to give it at least a chance. This skirt I love. It's by Ulla Johnson and I wear it all the time, so this is definitely a yes. This is a yes. This I love. This is a yes. We're doing great here. This I really like. I don't wear it as much as I want to, but I really like it, and I enjoy this top. I'm keeping this one. This I've had for a while, but I've never worn it, but that's because I don't own the pants that I want to style with this. I mean, I could have worn it. I do this thing where if I really like something, I just don't wear it, and it's like the weirdest. It's so weird. I need to figure that one out. But I love this top and I'm not getting rid of it. I really like it. I like this one too. I haven't worn this as much as I want to, but I really do like it. So I'm gonna keep this. We're gonna give this one another season of tries. This blouse I bought over the summer from Topshop and I do like it. And I actually forgot that I had it, so I'm gonna reach for this one more often because I love like a poofy white button down. Here is a basic shirt that I got from Topshop. I wear this all the time and I really like this. This one I like. It's also just like a basic. My white shirts I like to keep just because I do reach for them and they're really comfortable. Like I kind of forgot I had this, so I'm actually gonna wear this more often because it's like the perfect school shirt. This one I like a lot, but it doesn't remind me of like a good time in my life. I'll be selling this. I'm not getting rid of anything. This is kind of difficult. This one, this shirt I bought from Aritzia and it was very expensive and I have never worn it. Like full on never worn it. The tag is still on it. It's the Babaton 101 line, so it's one of their like capsule collection, meaning that they're never gonna come out with it again. Really liked it. That's why I bought it. I've just like full on never worn it. It's definitely on trend for like the utility style. It's just not, I don't feel amazing in it. I'm gonna get rid of this. I have to be like ruthless and I have to look like, hey, you spent a lot of money on this shirt and you've never worn it. Like this, I love the color. I bought it from Topshop a while ago. I don't wear it as much as I want to, but I really like the color and it's comfortable. So this is a really good fall piece and I feel like I don't have that many like light sweaters, so I'm gonna keep this one. This is from All Saints. I wear it and I like it, so I'm keeping that. This one I'm keeping just because I like it. This I am keeping. This is my little monster cami. All my camisoles hang on this hanger. Here is another blouse from Aritzia that I don't wear all that much. I think it's a beautiful color and I love this kind of like silky top. I wore this once, maybe twice, so I will be selling this because it's really great condition. I just really don't wear it. Thank you for all you've done for me, but I'm gonna make room for other tops like you. Here's a top that I love. It's by Equipment and Kate Moss, and I just love it. It brings me so much joy. I love all the little details, so this is a top that I will be keeping. Here is another blouse from Aritzia. This is a super cute top, but honestly I don't wear it because where I was from in Vancouver, everyone had it. I would see it everywhere, so I think I just got sick of seeing it all the time. So therefore I never really wear it. I love this style though. It goes off the shoulder and it's super flowy. Aritzia still comes out with this in spring and summer, so I'm gonna sell this because it's a really pretty blouse. I just don't wear it. Blouse from Zara is an example of a top that I'm 100% keeping. I wear this all the time. It's just so comfortable and it's different and I love the color. So this is definitely a keep. This is a beautiful top from Reformation, and Reformation is one of my favorite brands, so no question I'm keeping that one. These are some newer pieces. All my blazers I'm just putting up here because I'm keeping them. This is super cute. I'm keeping this. Here is my only black blazer. I bought it a while ago. I actually got this when I was in like Washington. So random. For some reason I don't love it. No, I like this. What am I doing? Here is a bomber jacket from Oakenfort that I never wear. I've learned that bomber jackets are not my favorite unless they're like really light material, and I currently have two that I'm keeping that are black and really light. Thank you for all that you've done for me. I got this jacket from Zara 2 years ago and I love this, so I'm keeping this. I love this jacket, also from Zara. I'm honestly keeping all of my coats. In my defense, I only brought the jackets and coats that I wear, and then I either donated or I left the other ones at home. So these coats I'm keeping because I do wear them and they're all like different purpose. Don't be mean to me about keeping these coats because I like them all. I don't buy that much outerwear. I think most people don't. This is the only one that I'm not sure if I should keep because I did just buy another one. I recently bought this one. It's by a frame and it's really nice and it's a lot more warm. I want to keep them both. I really do. Like, they're very different. I feel like I shouldn't keep both. Like, it just doesn't make sense to keep both of them. I don't know. I'm not getting rid of this because I recently bought it and I really like it. I don't know. I'm gonna put this in my maybe pile, but I like it. But I can't keep everything, so I'm gonna put this in my maybe pile. We'll think about it. This is my only colored jacket, so I am keeping this one. It's by All Saints and I love it. I recently bought this grandpa coat and I really like it, so I'm keeping this one. This is an example of a jacket that I wear every day. I actually get really good use out of this, so this is a really good purchase because I wear it all the time. I bought this a year and a half ago and I've never worn it. It's really cute. I just, whenever I try and wear it, I don't feel good in it, so I'm gonna sell this.
Rocks appear on walls where pleasure moments.
Here's an off-the-shoulder gray sweater that I wore once. I love gray and I think it's really pretty. I just never wear it. I never wear it, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Thank you for all you've done for me. It's so weird, but saying thank you to the clothes actually makes it easier to like part ways with it. I've never done that before, and it does make it easier to be like, you know what, I don't need you. It's fine. That's really interesting how that works. I'm taking a break. I'm gonna have some yogurt and grapes and just sit for like 2 minutes and then get back to this monstrosity of a mess. I worked for this grape. Thank you for all you've done for me. Now that my baby hairs have a life of their own, I'm glad to say I am completely done with my closet. I have listed everything I want to sell on Poshmark and it is just linked down below. Make sure to download the app. If you already have an account, comment it down below so I can follow you and see what you're selling. And I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'm truly sweating from it. And until next time, I hope that you all have an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.
The sweeping sensitivity of this